gonna get my drink on.
Gonna drink on.
Got the head over.
The monkey frat.
What's up, Nicolas Cage? Dude, Nick looks all serious with his shades on. So what you got there, big dog?
Smita here again, and we are in the Florida Linux Showcase 2009 in Jacksonville, Florida.
Yeah, we're ready.
Hello, this is Smita here again, and we are in the Florida Linux Showcase 2009 in Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm here with John Pugh, and who works for Canonical. So hi John, how are you doing today?
Very good, thank you.
And what are the cloud computing features in 9.04?
So in 9.04 we're actually adding several cloud computing features.
Okay.
Number one, we've got Ubuntu going into as a supported AMI for Amazon's EC2 product. Number two, we've got Eucalyptus, which is an open source cloud computing architecture that re-implements the Amazon EC2 APIs. That's going into the distribution, into Universe in the distribution. So you can do an apt-get install Eucalyptus, and boom, you have everything Eucalyptus installed.
That's awesome.
The third one is OpenNebula. So OpenNebula is a little bit different. It's a virtual machine manager, but it's built around grids and cloud computing, and it's meant to allow you to easily manage multiple virtual machines in a large environment. So that's also already packaged into Jaunty, which is 9.04, and that's going into the distribution. So you can do an apt-get install OpenNebula, and you've got all three of those in there.
That's awesome. And what's coming in for Koala?
So Karmic Koala is going to, from a cloud perspective, will be fully supported in Amazon's EC2. So that's going to be 100% fully supported out of beta. Hopefully we'll be keeping to add the additional pieces in there to have it fully advanced further. Eucalyptus, there'll be a lot more work in Eucalyptus. Right now Eucalyptus supports S3 through something they call Walrus, but it doesn't support things like the Simple Q service. So the Simple Q service will have some implementation, probably something like RabbitMQ or something to that effect will be added into it. And then other features as they continue to implement the Amazon EC2 API, which should be fully complete in the May timeframe, that'll be added into Karmic Koala as well. And then anything added from an OpenNebula perspective, we'll continue to update that package. But it will be fully enterprise ready so that when our long-term support release comes in April of 2010, we'll have a fully supported cloud infrastructure so that your enterprises have the ability to pick and choose what they want, and we'll have a very enterprise scalable cloud computing architecture.
Okay, and if you can please tell us about how Ubuntu is supported by AMI.
By AMI, so Ubuntu right now is in its beta 2 of the Amazon EC2 program. And so what that means is that we've got an AMI built on Intrepid, which is 8.10, fully supported, so you can run a small version or a medium version or a large version, either a 32-bit or a 64-bit version. There's two AMIs out there, and you can run them on the East network or the US network and on the European Union, the EU network from an Amazon perspective. So those are fully supported, and then once 9.04 is released in April, I believe it's April 23rd, we'll have a fully supported by Canonical version on Amazon's EC2. So you can run that in a production environment, call Canonical, gain access to support, and have a fully supported EC2 instance.
Okay, and since you live in Florida, are you with the local team?
Yes, I am. I work with Dan and Chris quite a bit on the IRC chat. So I see everybody that hopefully is listening to this podcast on Ubuntu-US-FL, and I participate quite a bit in the local teams.
Okay, thanks John for talking and sharing your interview with us.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.